All right, so today it's going to be pretty quick, simple. Eggs. I got some leftover asparagus I made, I don't know, day before yesterday, I think. And I wanted to use them up. And one of my favorite way to make used asparagus, already cooked asparagus is with eggs. Scrambled eggs with asparagus. I like about anything with scrambled eggs, tell you the truth. But so all that's in there is just a little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil, so if you had them wrapped in cellophane like I just did, you want to dry them a little bit. And I cooked these the old Julia Child method, which is my favorite way to do it. And I'll put a link at the end of this video in case you've never seen it. It's definitely a good way to cook asparagus. So you put some oil in there with the butter so that the butter doesn't burn, because remember, we're going to cook this high heat. And then also we don't want to burn a little bit of garlic that I'm throwing in there. And then also a little black pepper, a little salt, and a little bit of crushed red pepper will be good, I think. Now I'll throw those, I'll crank up the heat. Throw the asparagus in. All right, that's ready to go. And that is that. I should go grab a couple of leaves of basil from outside and throw on top of this. In fact, I am going to do that. All right. Can never go wrong with fresh basil. Let's give that a try. I should have ate it quicker because I don't like when the curds of the eggs start to tighten up too much. I like them kind of loose, but this will still be good. It's really good. If you've never had, or if you never didn't know what to do with a few leftover asparagus, that's a really good way to do it. So give it a try. It's good.